Rock buns aren't hard, they're easy. That's what I'm going to bake today. Let's rock and roll.
Set your oven to 180, dudes.
The ingredients for this bake are 225 grams of flour, 100 grams of margarine or butter, 73 grams of mixed dried fruit, 50 grams of caster sugar, 1 medium egg and milk to mix. Just like when you make scones, rub the flour and butter together. Just keep rubbing the mixture together with your hands. You're aiming for a nice crumbly mixture. Nearly done. In goes the caster sugar. And my fruit. Now stir it up. I think I'm done. Now add a bit of your egg and milk. I'm putting it in bit by bit so it doesn't go too gooey. I need more mixture because it's a bit too dry. Make sure you leave a little bit to brush the top with before you go put it in the oven. Now I'm going to mould my mixture into rock buns. It's just like making the scones. Now with my leftover mixture, I'm just going to give the scones a brush so they turn golden brown. I mean rock buns. In goes the rock buns. Now they're in, they take 10 to 15 minutes to cook. The rock buns are done and I can tell because they're nice and golden. We can make the icing. You'll need icing sugar and hot water and a bowl and a spoon. Put some of the icing sugar in the bowl, 3 tablespoons. And then we put a teeny bit of the hot water. We're going to get a spoon and stir it. And if that's not enough, add a bit more water in. But if you add too much water, add some more icing sugar. That's the icing done. Let's ice our buns. My rock buns are done. These buns rock.